Good morning. Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya, a presentation on public expenditure by Dr. Shweta Sadanand Singh Thakur. This topic belongs to the syllabus of BCom semester 5 students. I am the faculty of MPCC Commerce College. And in today's session, we are going to discuss on causes of increase in public expenditure. So there are 10 causes why the public expenditures are increasing day by day, right? So the following are the principal causes of growing public expenditures, like increase in area population. In the first place, we can say the increase in public expenditure is due to the fact that physical boundaries of the states have been widened. No man's land have been brought under organized government, and also in certain cases, even if the area has not increased, the population figures have considerably gone up. Even you can even better than me how the population has grown up. The government have therefore to cater to the needs of millions of more people scattered perhaps over such much wider areas. So this is the one of the reason why the public expenditure is increasing day by day. Another is growth of state function. Growth of state function according to me is like, as already pointed out, the modern states are no longer policy states concerned mainly with the maintenance of law and order. They are now regarded as welfare state. This has resulted in a tremendous increase in their function, right? So this can be the cause of increase in public expenditure, one of the cause. Then comes the higher price level and rising cost of public services. So when we talk about this, how the higher price level and rising cost of public services is affecting to the cause of increase in public expenditure, we can say that for mounting public expenditure in the higher price level. So person who have been old days, right, in India, or have heard about them tell us that there was a time when he was selling at 4 paisa seer or something like that, whereas now it sells at 20 rupees per kg, or at present it is like 400 rupees per kg, right? So day by day we can see that the prices of the goods are increasing, the public services cost is rising. So these all are the causes of increase in public expenditure. Then comes the fourth, increase in national wealth. So there has been almost a continuous improvement in agriculture rate and industry in every country, though in some countries like India it has been painfully slow, but otherwise rest is like growing. Next is like ability to tax. So ability to tax in a low income economy, it is difficult to impose and collect taxes, but as economy develop, a much wider range of taxes become available to the state, and as state revenue swells, so public expenditure increases. So this may be another cause of it. Then comes the expansion in social services. So in modern times there has been remarkable expansion in social services, which we have already noticed, like education is increasing, education, public health, majority in medical aid, expansion in education facilities to the establishment of schools and colleges and technical institutions, in a very large number. It can be multiplying day by day. So this can be a cause of increase in public expenditure. Then next comes the efficient product mix. This efficient product mix is between the private and social goods changing as per capital income. Means capital income rises and its change in gloves a rising share of social group. So this can be the cause of increase in public expenditure. Then we can say the technological changes. Then when we talk about the technological changes, technological inventions call for longer or larger or new production in the public sector, because it happens that improvement in technique can be best exploited by the state. So it can be another cause of increase in public expenditure. Then comes the expansion of public sector. That means expansion, I say expansion of public sector. So socialistic tendencies have in modern times resulted in the expansion of public sector, right? So the expenditure has increased a lot. And finally, the economic development. In all countries, whether developed or underdeveloped, the state have given top priority to the economic development. So the development countries are desirous to raise their standard of living still higher. So to conclude this part is like public finance is some persons a relative increase in public expenditures seems a calamity to other. It is like case of rejoicing and to still other. It is a matter of indifference. So we can say no definite percentage of national income can be named as the proper limit for the cause of government, since such as limit must become relative retransfer expenditures such as old age pension and increased recently by the government. So let us end up with the session today, and I have taken all the these are the reference material from where I have gathered such kind of information which I have shared with you. So for that, thank you for the session, and we will meet in the next lecture.